Number 3, we have 5 raised to the 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. And my first step is I want to express it as the same base. So I want the same base. So I'm going to copy the 5 raised to the 2x minus 3. And then somehow I need to express 1 as 5 raised to some power. So what power can I raise 5 to in order to get 1? This will be the power of 0. So anything raised to the 0 power gives you 1. So now that we've used that, we can look at just the exponents. And I have 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I add 3 to both sides, then 2x is equal to 3, and then divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 3 over 2. And that'll be our answer.